Disabling biometric login on your NatWest app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily turn off this feature. Step 1. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile banking app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once you are in the app, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu and select settings from the options available. Step 3. Navigate to security options. In the settings menu, look for a section labeled security or security options. Tap on this to access various security features related to your account. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Within the security options, find the setting for biometric login or fingerprint/face ID. Toggle the switch to turn off this feature. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling biometric login, ensure that you exit the settings and return to the main screen. It is a good idea to log out and log back in to confirm that the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can easily disable biometric login on your NatWest app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to NatWest customer support.